You started it?
Yes, indeed.
Without my permission.
It's okay,
God.
Gokul, come on, start.
Oh, okay. You can edit it, right?
No, I won't edit it. The viewers want to see your
Look at all those things. The end of the world.
face.
Mist. The mist. Soon end of the night.
You gotta shut up your mouth.
It's freezing. We are at the peak of High City
See?
in Aba. And it's totally foggy. It's totally foggy. So it's better. Okay, wait. Before I talk too much, let's see how the other people are experiencing this. Hello, sir. What do you think about this? Okay.
What did you think about this, sir?
What do you think about this, sir?
Nana Praja, எப்படி இருக்கு?
How is this? Is this good? Yeah.
Yeah, good done, ba. Okay.
So sweet, so tight, I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the.
Hello guys, I know you can see my face. It's absolutely because I'm Christian and I'm not gonna reveal my face until this video ends. So why I'm here because is you have seen my 2 videos in which I destroy a sweet guy who said Happy New Year to me and I destroyed my own dustbin. Today we are here in a high city trying to take some vlogs. So let's get into this. It is amazing!
Yeah, I know, it's indeed, right?
It's definitely amazing. But before we get further into this, let me tell you as a truth. I have no kids stream. I am just Gokul from Cybos and this is my brother Abhi.
Yeah,
And
see?
This is Dakshan Sai and our family and we are enjoying it. So never mind, let's go into this.
And you know what?
Kids range is in North Pole. We will send you another video of it. But first,
See, too much mist here. It's awesome. I want you guys also to come here and enjoy this climate.
That's why we are taking this video.
Yeah, in this
It starts from a rock, in a pool, and again the water supply comes in. Even if it's like simple, it just looks so beautiful that we want to bath in it.
Yeah, you want me to push you?
But it's so cold. So without any further ado, let's end this because I'm telling you guys, if you go out and chill there, you'll freeze. Bye.
In the description, I will put the name of
Location.
the yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hope you guys can see me. I'm Gokul here to talk about the plants.
They know who you are, Gokul. They just saw it 2 seconds ago.
Still the intro, okay? Still the intro.
Not the intro, Gokul.
Cactus, some things and other things. This light makes this tree look like a big tree in Amazon. There's so many leaves also. This leaf, that. I'm not such a nerd or a brainy. I don't know about that much plants, but I know that's a cactus. That's a cactus, right?
Yeah. Okay, fine, Gokul.
I am a smarty.
We gotta go.
Okay, since we gotta go, meet you at the next place. Just taking a break, okay? We are just taking a break behind the gigantic place. No! Could you off yourself? After a long time of traveling, ஒரு வழியா வந்து சேர்ந்துட்டோம். இனிமே தான் வந்து ஒரு கூத்தே இருக்கு. The view செமையா இருக்கு. வேணும்னா பாக்குறீங்களா? It's just awesome. Dakko எப்பறா இருக்கு?
Yes, indeed, it's awesome.
Awesome. கீரையை நிறைய பேர்
Hey,
சாப்பிடுறாங்க.
guys. Do you remember when Dakku உனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா நீ ஒரு French fries தூக்கி போட்டு அந்த கீழ இருக்கிற சீட்ல?
And my French fries landed on a BMW. Yeah, we are sitting here. Yeah. No problem. We will sit.
Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yeah, we are vlogging.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's your name? Thank you. I am Gokul and he is Abhinav. Together we have a channel site. Yeah, go. No.
Hey, he knows everything. He's a nerd. He's Google.
We just got
That's awesome.
so good. Amazing. Thank you. He just met a new friend. friend. So fast we made a new friend, and the fire is just awesome. So we are waiting for our food.
You know what's our food? It's not food. It's like
A small dessert.
it's a cake.
Even
Chocolate
television
cake.
is going, but waste. We are just going to be enjoying this. Guys, stay tuned. We are gonna eat the thing we are gonna have to eat. You understand? We are gonna eat the thing we
Okay.
have to eat, which is food.
Well, you're too excited. Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay, sis.
After a long time of traveling and sitting on a chair.
Guys, பாருங்க. Wait பண்றா. வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் we'll start. Okay.
So guys,
So guys, wait. See, I know you can see the fire and you can see me. Yeah, but you can't see me exactly. See me.
Let me talk.
Sorry, okay. The fire is doing its own work, not disturbing.
Look at the fire doing its thing.
Google, it's not disturbing us like
We are
that.
finally going to order. We are just so hungry. We are planning to order a brownie cake for me, this creature, and that creature.
You know,
The camera creature. And also french fries for all of us.
for eating.
Yeah, mainly.
Well, you said we should.
We will take a photo or we will start another video when the food comes.
It seems you need to show the scenery.
Oh yeah, guys, I exactly forgot what I wanted to show you. This is the scene I wanted to show you. It is just so beautiful. No, okay. It was just, I was trying Dakshan's voice. This guy here is Dakshan. Never mind. We're gonna go to the scenery. There are some people eating down. And there are some cool cars. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. So, wait until the food comes. Hi guys, after a long time of waiting, we finally until they also give ice cream to put on this. So, you wanna see it? Oh, looks yummy. Dakshan, you may try first. First try it.
Come on, Daku.
ரொம்ப சூடா இருக்க போதுடா மெதுவா போடு.
I வந்துற போகுது. No, that's good.
சூப்பரா இருக்கா?
That's really
Guys, we got extra spoon and also we got french fries.
Yeah.
I'm gonna taste it without any further ado because I'm hungry.
Yeah. Come on, Gokul. How is it? I guess I'm the one who's staying back. See, don't eat my pang, please. I also need it.
It is just tasty.
I know.
I can't.
Yeah, but last time while we came here, they used to keep a candle right inside this, but they didn't now. No, what's the problem?
No, looking so beautiful on the candle was lit. We
Okay,
also
wait.
have french fries. First we will eat the cake and then we will start. Guys, the cake went so fast.
See, it didn't even last a minute. See, we all three shared it together.
That's so hungryfulness. We have the ketchup box.
They don't know that's a ketchup. Gokul, thanks for
And we also
saying
have
them.
ketchup packets.
Good.
And mainly we have french fries. I think you don't know the name of it because I thought you were thinking this was potato sticks.
Gokul, shut up.
It is french fries.
I already said him. See, you spilled a french fry here.
Hey, dude.
Juice. Yes, it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. You just
It's
kept
got a good light. Enjoy.
Daku, keep it here, bro. Hey, Patra.
Center light. It's just so good. Take this all
Let's
dirt
use this
out.
as a selfie light. Gokul, what are you doing? Gokul.
No, I'm taking all the dirt out because it's so beautiful.
Just hold it like.
Hey, I took it mala veera. Yeah. Not on that.
Then, okay, see.
You keep the bar push karenge. Hey, ellaki amma kitti
Hey.
now சாப்பிட என்ன இருக்கு?
Juice தான் வரலடா.
It seems he's gonna eat the juice.
Gokul, fine.
We always drink juice, he's gonna eat the juice. This is beautiful. Beautiest beautiful.
Right. That's just a lamb, Gokul. Just gonna cut it here.
See you later, bye. While we are eating French fries,
See, we didn't-
finally came.
The
And
juice.
Taku is so eager to eat the drink of his.
No drink.
While we are ready to drink the drink of ours, but first let Taku taste it and tell us.
Come on, Daku. We want to see your face reactions.
Chuck.
Gokul, shut up.
I'm eating potato sticks.
That's French fries.
Potato sticks.
How is that? Good?
Very good.
Very good.
I'm gonna put a straw on
Very
mine.
good.
I'm gonna put a straw on mine and keep it safe because I want nobody to steal it.
Okay, mine is there, sitting there, relaxing.
And this light over here lights the potato. This time we have to put the song light the potato, light the potato. Just kidding.
Yeah, we're just going to do a remix on Light 'em Up.
This is called the French fries ending the juice.
Okay, come on, that's mine.
Disappear.
Don't touch my juice.
Oh, I'm not touching the juice. I'm touching the container which you have your juice.
Okay.
Every-
Juice tastes like Tic Tac mixed with some color.
This
Yeah, this tastes good. It's good.
Jeans, also jeans, mirror jeans, every jeans.
Juice
And
jeans.
Not wearing the jeans.
Yeah, indeed, and this wearing tracks.
This is a vlog time. Could you guys go out for a minute because we are hungry? Some of you may see this while you are eating, but we are eating while we are recording. Got a different profession. So,
They know that
signing
they
off
know.
for a while. For some eating business like monkey business.
Okay. Is this a monkey business? Who's that to you?
A much better business.
Look at what is this, Gokul? You're taking rubbish. Okay, fine, guys. See you later. See you a bit later. Too many ice cubes. Guys, I hope you can see the cube size is like a cylinder.
Like a fish.
Literally a cylinder. See,
Come on,
I hope
we
you can
need to
see.
discuss these things.
just
It's
want
really
to
important.
just want to share
They're
with
not
them.
here with us drinking the juice, okay? So look.
Guys, you know what is the greatest thing in the whole world?
Fries.
Having a best brother like this who can't drink cool drinks, the whole cool drinks. You know why? He just gives us.
No, I did not do that. I did not give anything. This is mine. Look, this is mine.
See?
I have mine in my hand. He gave.
Hey, you both just fooled me.
And still you don't have a drink to drink.
I just drinked it.
Still have ice cube it. We still have ice cube in it.
How to drink ice cube?
By eating French fries.
That doesn't even match, Gokul.
I'm hungry. Could you take the camera off me? It's tasty.
As that everyone knows. No, thank you, Gokul. I'll eat it a bit later.
It's giving you a gap, you know.
Guys, it's extremely good. See, it's the whole city is covered with mist, and we are sitting near a fire.
And it's so comfortable. Like it literally hits you so good.
Yeah.
That's why you fry the potato sticks.
Hey, why don't you put it inside and get it fried fast?
Like, you are the one who will eat that kind of food. Because you are a unique creature.
No, I'm not.
I mean,
Yeah, I am unique, but I'm not a unique creature. See, this fellow gave it to me again. You see, see, I'm just going to touch it. See. Oh, it's there. No thanks, Daku. You can have it.
Hey, Daku. Why did you get a name Daku?
Because
He's a
it's
Daku.
a nickname for him.
You want to know his real name?
You're eating, Gokul. Is that his
My name
name?
is Gokul Sainath. His name is
Okay,
Abhinav
enough.
teacher and his name is Dakshan Sai. So he has the right to be the part of Cybros. Guys, guess what my brother found?
I'm real
You
small.
all know that he's a nerd.
I am not Gokul. Can you shut up
He
your mouth?
learned how to change the colors in this
the button there, this on off button. Just press this. That's it. Voila. You have it here.
That's one normal color with the devil color.
Wait. I guess you can see.
Yeah. I'm a rider. Provider.
Well, shut up.
Yeah, this is looking green and in the camera it was
Yeah.
blue.
Reflection.
Doctor is doing something sussy. Look at it.
He is drinking. I'll just keep this color because I like this color.
No, he's not drinking. He's just eating his drink.
Fine. Guys, just say in the comment section which color do you like the best.
You're the worst.
Say it
Not you guys. I said it to my brother.
He always used to say
You
that.
guys are always
I
awesome.
really won't care it.
No, subscribe for a cookie.
What cookie, Kakal? Chocolate cookie.
The cookie you want will be delivered.
How much?
A cookie. A cookie.
Is there no B cookie, C cookie and all?
I guess not.
Okay, fine.
I have to tell you something. This is also one of our cutest friend. His name is Prajesh Shai. So that he also deserves
Yeah.
he is. So he also deserves to be in the Sideways channel. So Prajesh, unna patti avangita sollu. I am Prajesh Shai. I am Prajesh Shai. I am Stanley Selteji.
சொல்லு
உன்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் பேர் என்ன சொல்லு? நான் அபினவ் டக்கு. Abhinav Dattu Total. Really cute, right? I know it.
It has been a so long time. ஏன் ரொம்ப லேட்டா வந்தீங்க?
அதுவா ப்ளூடூத் நல்லா இருந்துச்சா?
நல்லா இருந்துச்சு, நாங்களும் குடிச்சிருக்கோம். சீக்கிரம் போய் நான் எல்லாத்தையும் காலி பண்ணிட்டேன். காலி பண்ணிட்டியா? எங்கடா போயிட்ட? Gokul is missing. Gokul, where are you going? You are missing. Oh, you are here.
I am here. Prajesh Sai. உன்னோட பேர் பிரஜேஷ் சாயா? Yeah, I am Prajesh Sai. For the people who don't understand Tamil, the cutest little our English too. Our cutest little friend introduced himself to you guys in English. Prajesh, இன்னொரு கா சொல்லு. I am Prajesh. Yes, Tamil, yes, English, not Hindi. Okay, I'm back.
Where do you go? Prajananba. Naam matra okay va.
This is the education class with Prajesh.
Okay. What color is this?
Blue.
Good. Change. What color is this?
Hello.
Good. But I guess you guys are going to sing Sia. Change.
Blue.
Dark yellow.
Good.
Good. Correct answer. Good.
You shut up. You are doing it.
Purple. Purple one. Violet. Next one.
White. No, this is yellow. This is white.
Oh, this is yellow.
This is white.
This is yellow.
This is white. And look what Dakshan is doing. It is your eyes and putting it.
Uncle, I mean, you are doing what are you doing? You should not do it.
You can do it.
You didn't melt. Did you melt it, bro?
It's science project, but it's too dangerous. This is one ice. This is one more thing. It is definitely melting. I can see it.
Hey, you are melting it, bro. What did that poor ice do? Did it just help your drink to get cold?
Don't do this. Enjoying the fog and the sound of the water. If you did not see that, rewind and see it. I said it before about that water fountain thingy. Rock, pool, and from the rock.
Yeah, go.
So,
We gotta go.
We gotta go. Time's up, fellows. See you later. Bye.
Guys, yeah, it has been 1 or 2 hours passed and still no change in the mist. See a car.
God, the car is looking good, but we can't afford it. Let's go buy.
Oh, it's a glass. I thought. Okay. Anbavi kaipudi. Proju kaipudi. Proju. Yeah. There's a good fountain there. ஆமாடா செமையா இருக்கு.
Guess what, guys? We stopped by a perfume shop in High City and we took this. Smells really good. But one problem is the fog is not letting me breathe properly. You wanna try it? Nah. I know you can't try it, but someday you will come with us. I know.
Okay, guys. I guess
This
it's
is
time to end.
Gokul and Abhinav signing off for Cybros. Bye.
Thanks for
Never
watching.
worry. We will see you in the next video. And never forget, subscribe for a
Bye.
nice time of good luck.